Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix low FPS and lagging when you want to play Rainbow Six Siege. Okay, it's very annoying because if it's lagging then it's not playable usually. And now I'll just assume that you already turned all the settings on low. That's obvious. In resolution, um, try to just change it to very low resolution, low graphics, low resolution. And if you already done that and still have problems, still low FPS, what you can do, I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you watch it till the very end, and make sure you leave your results in the comment section. I'm really curious to see if this worked for you. So make sure you leave your results, and also join my Discord server, or we can share with each other's tips and tricks, and just help each other. So join my Discord server and I can help you as well there. I'll try to help you. And also, as I said, make sure you leave your results in the comment section. And now let's jump right in the video. So the first thing that I also recommend people is to head over to performance mode, and here make sure from appearance, best appearance, make sure you select best performance, or just custom, and here just select the way you want, the way Windows looks like. So not the way it looks like, but more of like appearance. Now another thing that you can do is let's click on start settings, and here make sure you go to accessibility and then visual effects, and here make sure you turn this off, and off. Okay, now another thing that you have to do to fix any crashes is to go in the game, locate the game, click on properties. Now you can obviously also locate a game here. Go to the Steam, go to the game, and then right click on the game, go to properties, local files, click on verify integrity of game files, and once you've done that, move to the next method, click on browse, and here in browse, click on the game Rainbow and click on properties, and then here in compatibility make sure you turn this on. You check this box, disable full screen optimization, and change DPI, and click on override. And you can also enable, if that didn't work, you can enable run this program and run this program as a mixture. Click on apply and okay. And if that didn't work and you still have a lot of problems with the game, FPS and lagging a lot, another thing that you can do is to go to game mode, and you can turn this on, turn this off, and also game mode, turn this off as well. And you can also go to graphics here, and then here in graphics click on the game Rainbow Six, and here in Rainbow, once you located the game, click on properties, and here make sure you have high performance, because I guess you want performance, so make sure you're doing that. And also click on change default graphics settings, and here make sure you go here and optimize for Windows games. So we want games, we're playing games, so we need optimization, so make sure you turn this on, and also make sure you turn this on. You need to restart your computer to apply this change, so make sure you apply you apply all the changes. All right, and after you're doing that, after that, what you have to do, the next step to fix any FPS is to simply restart your computer after you after you applied everything, and after you followed along with me and you did everything I did. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave your results in the comment section. I'm really curious to see if this worked for you, and I will see you now in the next video. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.